Yeah, Marty, it's been very, very busy here over the last several weeks, but there has been an uptick really nationwide. More people are flying. Airlines are now adding flights, and even the cruise ships that you see behind me that have been docked for almost a year could now start sailing again very soon. We've seen the crowds on beaches from Miami to Panama City, but it's not just Florida. Nationwide, travel is on the rise with busier airports from coast to coast. Disneyland in California will reopen its gates for the first time in more than a year next month. Dollywood in Tennessee officially opened for the season. Some cruises are set to start sailing again in June, and New York City is looking alive again. At the height of the pandemic, just 30,000 people a day were walking through New York's Times Square. That number is now up to 115,000, the Times Square Alliance says.
I was here a couple months ago and it was dead compared to now. There's a lot more people.
This is really great. Seeing New York like this just brings a lot of happiness to my heart.
Sunday was one of the busiest days at U.S. airports since the pandemic started, with more than 1.5 million travelers, according to the TSA. That's more than 3 times the amount that flew the same day last year. And yesterday saw similar numbers with almost 1.4 million people flying. Again, a huge increase from last year. But when you compare it to pre-COVID times, you see there is still a massive difference. In 2019, more than 2 million people flew on those days.
The data coming out of the airlines and our partners and so forth is showing that the pent-up demand is starting to release a little bit in terms of leisure travel.
According to a study by Longwoods International released just today, 87% of Americans now have travel plans in the next 6 months. For people who are planning to travel later this year or at the end of the year, should they book now or should they wait?
Book now. With all the pent-up demand, people are searching, people are starting to book. You're probably going to get, if you're going to be flying, you're probably going to get the best deals you can get right now.
But the CDC is still urging caution.
We are worried not just for what happens when you are on the airplane itself, but what happens when people travel. That is, they go out, they mix with people who are not vaccinated. So I would just encourage people and remind people now is not the time to travel.
And the CDC director said very soon they plan to release guidance for people who have been vaccinated on exactly how and when they can travel. And as for the cruise ships that you see behind me that have been docked for almost a year, Royal Caribbean announced just today that they plan to have a cruise leave from Bermuda, which is not far from here, in June. Everyone will have to be vaccinated to board that ship. Live in Miami, Brian Enton, NewsNation.